outsourcing remains critical to access specialized expertise, flexible capacity, and speed to market. ExcellenS is Samsung Biologics' optimized manufacturing framework, applied across all plants to ensure equivalency and speed through standardized designs, harmonized equipment, and unified processes built on our cumulative manufacturing expertise, reducing transfer time from 81 days to just 32. Concurrent DS and DP tech transfer minimizes analytical redundancies, simplifying workflows by 27.5%, accelerating process setup. Same-time manufacturing and optimized logistics reduce overall timelines by 7 weeks. Each of these elements reflects how Samsung Biologics ensures on-time delivery with a fully integrated approach. As a result, we have sustained 100% on-time delivery availability, even amid global challenges. ExcellenS is the embodiment of Samsung Biologics' 14-year track record of groundbreaking success in accelerated plant construction and manufacturing innovation, enabling faster tech transfers, rapid approvals, reduced risks, and seamlessly scaling across our facilities.